My car is making a super annoying knocking sound, and it happens every time I start it up. For a fact, it's coming from the exhaust, but there's no way of knowing for sure because of how low it is. So I had to drive it onto the ramps and see what's going on. Surprisingly, it's rattling on a piece of metal that seems to look bent from the middle, and since the exhaust has to come off anyways, I'm gonna polish it the right way, making it super shiny like a mirror. The first step is really easy. It's just washing off all the dirt and grime with water, and once it's dried off with some towels, the second step is to smooth the surface with some steel wool. But it has to be quadruple zero because anything rougher than that will scratch the metal. In minutes, the shine is already revealing itself, so once it's completely wiped down, the final step is to polish the exhaust with a buffing pad. Rubbing compound on the exhaust and pad works amazing in this situation, but the secret is in the buffing. It's always best to go in a slow overlapping motion to get the best result, and within a couple minutes, the result is a perfectly mirror finish. Still, that doesn't solve the problem with the knocking sound coming from underneath, so I had to figure out how to fix it. Since the part is already bent, I'm gonna pry it down with a nail puller and bend it out of the way with some pliers until the pipe has enough clearance. With that out of the way, it's time to install the exhaust, hoping to solve the problem, which it does. So in less than 30 minutes, I fixed the super annoying sound while also beautifying the cannon in the back, making this a super easy DIY.